My first all-nighter was pulled at the beginning of my sophomore year, and I don't really think people talk about this that often, but I was not ready for this exam at all. I don't think people are very open with their study habits. Procrastination is very common in college, and as you can tell, I was also a procrastinator up until I kind of had that experience. But my first all-nighter, it was for a neuroscience class, and I had probably like 4 cups of coffee around me. I had a Monster energy drink, and the whiteboards that I was working on were filled from top to bottom with diagrams, and I had to pull that all-nighter. I was up probably until like 6 or 7 in the morning, and that exam was probably around like 2 in the afternoon, so I took it on a few hours of sleep. But I did well, and it definitely taught me that I had to change my study habits and that I couldn't just wait until the last minute, because your brain does not work with learning everything in one night. You cannot cram all the information from 2 months or like 6 weeks of classes. You cannot cram that all into one night.